guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another video. If you're new here and you're seeing me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment, let me know you are new. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to grow your relaxed hair past shoulder length. So as you can see, I managed to grow my hair past shoulder length, and this is something I never thought I could do. I never dreamt of it because my hair has been short for a long time, and my hair grew rapidly in the past 2 years. My hair grew so much, and I'm going to give you guys the tea. I'm going to spill the tea. I'm going to tell you guys what I did, and I'm going to be very realistic today. I may not be telling you what you want to hear or what every YouTuber may be telling you. I'm going to tell you what I did straight up and what worked for me. And if it's something you would like to try, you can go ahead and try it. But if it's something that you can't do, you can actually tweak it to your own preference. But I'm going to tell you guys the real deal and everything I did. Now, what I did was not much. I just did like 3 or 4 simple things. I'm going to insert pictures as I am talking to you guys. I am coming with receipts. So the first thing that I did, the major thing I did that grew my hair so much in the space of 1 year, was stretching my relaxer. And I'm about to say something that is crazy right now, and many people may not like what I did. For the first time, I stretched my relaxer for 1 year and 11 months. You can just count that at 2 years. Yes, from 2017 till 2018 November, I stretched my relaxer. I didn't relax my hair. I didn't apply heat to my hair. I never blow dried my hair. I strictly did protective styling. The protective style I did was I kept on wearing sew-ins. Like I do sew-ins, and I wear them for about a month or a month and a half, and when I take them down, I wash my hair and I do the same thing. This was what I did from 2017 to 2018. So I was not wearing my hair out. I didn't really feel the pain of not relaxing my hair. So I'm going to insert a picture right here of how my hair looked after 1 year and 11 months before I relaxed it, and I'm going to show you guys what it looked like after relaxing it in December 2018. And I'm going to show you guys what the hair looked like in 2019, January 2019. So I'm inserting a lot of pictures right here so you can see what I'm talking about. And if I can get a picture of what my hair looks like before I started my protective style journey, I am going to insert it. I'm sure I'll find one, then I'm going to insert it so you can see the difference and the amount of growth I got in the space of 1 year and 11 months. Now, I am not advising you to go 1 year without relaxing your hair. I was desperate to grow my hair, and that was why I had the patience to stretch my relaxer for that long. But if you can't, I am going to advise you to stretch your relaxer as long as you can. If possible, stretch your relaxer for 6 months. If you can't, stretch your relaxer for at least 6 months. Trust me, in 1 year you're going to see a huge difference in your hair length. Now, nobody has long hair in my family. I keep getting a lot of compliments on my hair, and I must say it took me a lot to get to this point. Now, the second thing I did to grow my hair apart from stretching my relaxer was I avoided heat. Throughout the space of the 1 year and 11 months that I was stretching my relaxer, I never used heat on my hair. Throughout the 1 year and 11 months of me stretching my relaxer, I never flat ironed my hair, not even once. But I did blow dry my hair once, and that was it. That was the first and the last time I blow dried my hair when I was stretching my relaxer, and that helped me grow my hair because I didn't have any heat damage at all. My hair was full and coily and so fine when I finally relaxed my hair. So generally, I always avoid heat on my hair no matter what. I folded my blow dryer and my flat iron, and I kept them in my drawer, and I never brought them out. I normally air dry my hair whenever I wash my hair. I do that a lot. I air dry my hair and I put my hair in a protective style. I don't blow dry my hair. First time I blow dried my hair this year was during the quarantine period when I was at home and I couldn't do it anymore because I stretched my relaxer for so long. I finally blow dried my hair when I finished relaxing my hair, and the reason why I blow dried my hair was because I wanted to flat iron my hair at the same time. So I blow dried my hair and I flat ironed my hair around April this year. And then the second time I blow dried my hair was last month after my relaxer. Exactly 1 week after my relaxer, I blow dried my hair and I also flat ironed my hair. So totally I have only flat ironed my hair 3 times in 2020. 3 times, nothing more, nothing less. So I'm going to talk about the third and the final thing I did to grow my hair. The third and final thing I did to grow my hair was Ayurvedic hair oils, hair butters, shea powder, fenugreek powder. I'm going to list all the powders and oils that I used on my hair that helped me grow my hair. So the first one is my Ayurvedic hair oil. I don't think I have ever done a video on that on my channel, but I am going to post a video on that very soon. I want to show you guys how I make my Ayurvedic hair oil and also my Ayurvedic hair butter. I also used a lot of shea powder and kaka oil to grow my hair. I also incorporated fenugreek powder and also hibiscus powder into my hair care products, and I must say that has been the best thing I have done for myself. And if you notice on my channel, I normally post a lot of DIY videos on shea powder, fenugreek, hibiscus. That's because this is what I've been using to grow my hair, and I'm going to post a video on how I do my Ayurvedic hair oil and hair butter, and you will also see the ingredients and the herbs that I used to make them. And also I forgot to add amla powder as well, and other powders that are too difficult to pronounce right now, but I think I'm going to make a video on that and show you guys. I have one more thing to tell you guys about what I used to grow my hair, and most of the things I'm saying here are things that I've never showed you guys on my channel, but I've been doing them for a long time. Even before I started making videos on my relaxed hair on my channel, I've been doing all these things for a long time, and I just decided to start sharing it with you guys. And it's not something you can just do once and expect your hair to grow. You need to keep on doing this, keep on incorporating them in your hair regimen, and watch your hair grow over time. So that's it for this video. And least I forget, I will also use sulfur 8 on my hair, my blue magic hair grease, and also the dough grow hair vitalizer. I started using this when it was trending. That was when I found out about it and I started using it to see how much my hair was going to grow when I finished doing it, and I must say I got good results. And I'm also going to do another 30 days challenge using sulfur 8, dough grow vitalizer, and hair fertilizer, to make a video on how I use my sulfur 8, my dough grow vitalizer, my castor oil, and also other hair fertilizer that I add to it. So it sounds like a lot, but trust me, once you have a hair routine, it's not a lot at all. You just find yourself doing it. And I'm going to stop talking here today because I think this video is already too long, and I don't like keeping you guys waiting. I don't like making long videos. So I am going to stop here today, and probably I'm going to make another video and finish up whatever I couldn't finish right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.